What you doing?
We're glassing because we wanted to have 2 boxes, and this is number 2.
Number 1 is finished. After this we only have to sand and fill.
These boxes are for storing all our dive gear, tanks and such. They will be placed on the back of the boat and on the deck. They will be integrated into the deck, so they will be glassed to the deck. And on top of those boxes will live the solar arch with all our solar panels. So we are fiberglassing a foam core with a wooden top for more rigidity, and it should become really sturdy.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah. The fiberglass with gloves because I'm a bit allergic for fiberglass. And my scissor is getting a bit old. Finished for today. Roald is now cutting the tow rail because it's too long. The lockers will come over here on both sides. The lockers will be glassed onto the deck, so we have to grind away quite a big space. But that will make the lockers integrate with the deck. And as you can see, we went out of the marina because we don't want to bother anyone with our noise and our dust. So we found ourselves a nice spot in front of the marina, and time for some sanding.
zeker. Hoe ver is het uitgelegd dat soort
En dan kun je van bovenaf ga je dan
Nee, dat kan je net niet zien, maar aan de zijkant. Maar we hebben niks aan bakjes.
Wow. Okay. Building a rocket ship. Yeah. Oh,
Ik heb een slechte beetje handschoenen.
This one is glassed to the deck. The other one, not yet. Ew. Is dat de hoek?
Now for something completely different.
I am making doors like this in our front cabin, bedroom, and well, they are handmade-ish. So we buy them like this, and then we take them apart and make them fit, and then paint them. So I'm going to make a door for this closet. make it fit, paint all the parts and then put it back together. So, all of the pieces are cut off, and now it's time to sand these a little bit and then paint them. Yay! First layer of paint. After this I will sand them and give them a second layer of paint. Finished. Really looking forward to this, but so I am making doors, covers for this bunk storage space. But before I can start making the doors, I need to cut out this piece. It's not easy. Upside down. I am making some plastic doors, simple sliding doors for the bunk space. They will slide into an aluminum frame. I'm not sure if this will work, but I'm tired of looking at these boxes the whole time, so it would be nice to cover them. First part. It works. This is it for now. So You can slide these open. And this one. But I have a little problem, and that is that I need tinier screws because this doesn't fit too well. So I have to go to the hardware store again. Third time this week. But it looks quite alright.